Hello everyone. Mayam po amuka kuramjari masigi oina ngarangdagi khanana narakpa Indian Polity gi lecture adugi ngasi second part adu mayam khanan minaba horasi ngarang di effective majority do loikhidabani adu effective majority di matangda ngasi dagi khanana naba horasi effective majority habsi karino habam tano mayam yeminasi sida harise more than half of effective strength of the house. Habidi sida makatan yeminase. Total strength minus vacancies haibaniba. Vacancies kari oibe. Vacancies can be because of death. Laikidabadagi vacancy oibe because of resignation. Resignation dagi vacancy laikibe amadi disqualification gi matang dagi vacancy laikibe. Koi situation ami yeminase ba. 543 is in the house ki full strength never. 143 is in the vacancy never. Adu eragadi akogi lehoriba total se 400 lehore. 543 dagi 143 vacancy lehragadi lehori se 400 lehore. So 200 plus is the effective majority ne. Kai no hai matam the effective majority kai no more than half of effective strength of the house have never. Lehoriba strength 400 never. Adadi 200 plus effective majority or neighbor. One the 400 katanga hawriba my vacancy khaidokra. Sidamu kari khangya. It seems like simple majority and effective majority are same. Sida akoina mamangda yengiba simple majority haiduga effective majority ga manaba dawna su uyi. Yango sida simple majority lakse yango se. More than half of the members present in voting have a neighbor. Sida yango total strength 543 ne 143 absent ne 400 present. So bill number passed on the one of matamda 200 plus lakani 400 label. Adu mai tawduna sida layriba effective majority da so mai 200 plus lak pase haibidi simple majority ga effective majority ga manaba dawna oyeba khoi situation am yengina se 543 is in total strength. 143 is in a vacancy layer. 400 is in active member layer vacancy layer matunda. 400 is the chama mu absent oil situation sida. Hajikari orani chama absent oil matunda 300 layer. 300 si manungda voting tawre bilangi matangda. Vote awu matanda kaidawre. What is simple majority effective in this condition? Siki condition that karaman simple majority no karaman effective majority na di yeminar se. Simple majority di kadawa 151 plus neba. Kaya ginahay matamda simple majority di present and voting hai neba. Layba present 300 neba. Present and voting more than half hai neba. Adu di 150 do half or 151 sina half to heladra aduna kaidawa masisina kaidawa simple majority neba. C conditions the same conditions the effective majority na karam hai matamda 200 plus neba. Kari marong ino hai matamda we still need to count absent one in the effective majority lale. Effective majority da na akoi absent no gi chama do adu gi do su count or ka dong neba. Adu already so sai 300 hai se 400 to oiga do active members se 400 ki takai di kaino 200 neba 200 plus se kadawa sisina effective majority to or do neba absent no do count to ya deba sibu kai koi koina effective majority koi may ham bab tarani ko matang da koi mu yeminasi special majority sidi khara difficult oiba majority makhala mani kwaidagi aruba bill ama pass to ha ma tano kwaidagi luba majority aduni masigi flavor khara khaidoi flavor number 1 da more than 2/3 of the members present in voting have a neighbor. Habidi total members ekoina 543 ne lawase 543 lawu matamda more than 2/3 of the member hadi 543 gi akum thukui ani oiba saruk 543 is akum mon khaido ani adugi saruk ani example adudi 366 muktarani adugi na kaidawa sigi special majority gi hanbasi oirani 543 dagi saruk ani oido akum khaido ko aduna kaidawa sigi number 1 si oirani. Number 2 flavor da kari kari laire more than 2/3 of the members present amadi kaidoba plus absolute majority haibadi lairiba member sing do adudagi present oibado dagi example on hairabada 543 to total member absent oiba matana 143 absent oiba 400 le 400 to dagi present voting haibadi more than 2/3 already 400 to ahum tona khaido ani adugi saru ani thokpadagi ahen bada adudune plus karimu erani absolute majority so oiba done absolute majority ja khoi ngarang khanare kasi karino haibdam tangi yemina se absolute majority haibadi sitlaire more than half of the total strength of the house or total votes haibne chidiyang number is fixed total strength on the Lok Sabha 543 house to gi total strength do oiga dawne absent oiba khotpam ta lawbi ate house to gi full number do oiga dawne vacancy ka am ta law house to kya lay haiba to adu lawga dawne si absolute majority haise oi yemina se adu condition amani yemina se condition number 1 ni am khangani ko condition number sigi absolute special majority ki number 1 flavor number 1 me am khangani ko flavor number 2 gi matang da situation amani yemina se situation first for second type sigi second type sigi situation ahan no yemina se chidi yango 543 is total strength ne ba chida kai do ba 43 sina vacant lay re ba adudi kai do re 500 na existence strength oi sidagi 500 sidagi 200 absent oi 200 absent oi di kai do ba 300 present oi 300 present voting oi sida 300 sidagi hojimi kai do ba suppose 250 votes for the bill out of the 300 lairiba 300 sidagi mi sani yakhaina votes pireba bill doi matang bill ama pass tawgi tawrapa matamda adi condition number 1 da kari laira condition number 1 si kaino more than 2/3 of the members present in voting haibane yango sida more than 2/3 of the members present in voting se satisfy ore kamai satisfy ore because 2/3 of the members present in voting kiyango 300 ki manung dagi 250 oragadi 300 se saruk om toina khaidoga saruk ani ti 200 laire 200 tagi hendro si 250 se aduna kaidoga condition number 1 se satisfy ore si more than 2/3 members in present haise condition number 2 absolute majority se mu yeng se si situation ji the same situation ga 543 total strength ore 43 ne vacant ore 500 in existing strength ore aduga 200 in absent ore lehoriba 300 sidagi 250 votes pireba sigi condition number 2 phangba phangdaba yengse condition number 2 da kari absolute majority ne condition number 2 se masi not satisfy oi kari marongi 272 plus is must at must be absolute majority habidi absolute majority de absent of the law ate vacant the law ate sagi total member 543 si law da gude sigi kaidoba more than half of the total strength of the house oiga da gude 543 ki takai gi henga da gude aduna condition number 1 di satisfy ore why oi present in voting have ne 300 present ore adugi 2/3 to di satisfy ore condition number 2 di satisfy oi dre maram di moin absent oi ra total strength 543 se sigi kaidoba more than half of the strength oiga da gude moin vote tawse adi yengone sida phangi 272 plus katane asai total strength 543 ne 543 se saru om tona khaidoga saru 543 se saru ani tona khaidok seba sorry saru ani tona khaidok kata maramdi more than half saru ani gi tangkhai di 271 muk phangdoi ne adudi 271 ki ahen be 272 plus lai si odi kadoba sila kadau ne ba condition number 2 satisfy oi ga haragati adudi moina vote tawrisi only 250 khatane ba 272 yaude ba aduna kadoba sigi condition number 2 si satisfy oi drabanina sigi bill ase pass tawra roiba hena bab ta na bigi damta situation for second type sama yeng se sigi same flavor ani shu sigi condition ama mo yeng se kidi yeng se if all the 543 is present sidadi 543 is loina present taweba 543 se ke doba 272 khatang bill sig matang vote pieba tangkhai atei ri pidreba condition number 1 da kedoba more than 2/3 of the members present in voting say not satisfied because 2/3 of the present voting it must be 366 plus oiga tobne maramdi yango 543 say condition number 1 da 2/3 haveni ahum khaidok pe mang ani oiga tobne adu adi 366 lakh da se only kya piba 272 ga tak pibne condition number 1 satisfy oidre condition number 2 satisfy oiber oidabri absolute majority or kadogone sidi kedoba satisfy oi kaimangi because more than half of the total strength of the house voted pireba maramdi 272 ne pirise absolute majority di kaina more than half of the total strength of the house oidabone adudi 543 ki half the henbari 272 pibne na si condition se satisfy oi mayam si ko khagani ko khangdra su dum comment da pibira mayam ke explain tawjarake mathang da flavor ahum so flavor am ka yengse same as 2 plus ratification by half of the states of India have name kaino hai matam da sigi flavor ahum so be same as 2 sida condition number 2 se sigi second flavor se siga chamani sigi mathak ta kari ora kadoba ratification by half of the states of India kadoba India da lay states mayam se si total punsilaga sigi tangkhai ma hena sigi bill se moina vote pira kadoba ne sigi mathak ta si man satisfy orani adui mathakta India gi lay state mayam se sigi total gi tangkhai hena moina so bill se ayaba pira kadoba ne masina kaidori flavor number 3 ne ba mathang da flavor ama bo yamina se flavor number 4 not less than 2/3 of the total strength of the house example CCO. Flavor number 4 da house the lay riba 543 se sigine 2/3 or kadong ne 2/3 handa ba ya de adu idi kya lani 366 plus or kadong ne sidagi hantaraga di sigi bill se pass to work sisin ko ngasi flavor kra ya pa yam se sigi special majority se flavor kra yami masida kari si ne ha matam da koina president impeachment tawugumba amadi akhoi constitution amendment tawugumda sinar ka ngasigi matang lai matang som pass matang makatarak tadum haijarake karamba majority na karamba da sinai karamba majority na karamba da sinai habdo ayodum makata no class dum haijarakani mayamna sigi video sing sigi gyan ta da yawaso dum comment da nong question hangbiramu toga aina so haijakiba YouTube se ai nauna hangbina YouTube ki knowledge kya leite mayamna sum excuse to view mayam sigi video sing sing nungai biragadi needs oiba sing share to view subscribe to view like to view ai sum support to boina mayam puna mo po mo khairam jari sigi da tadi matang sida ai video se lo sinjarage am ko so khairam jari thank you